Okay, so welcome back to my channel or the video. So what we have here is the multi-ripsaw from Weinig, profirip 340 Ryman line. So it's a multi-ripsaw and a brand from Weinig. So Engineer Sandeep again will explain to us about the basic maintenance for this ripsaw machine. Okay dear, so we can start.
You already know about this one, quick fix clamping system.
Yeah.
So it should be minimum 1 milli gap. If it is less than 1 milli, you have to put
Oil.
oil. Yes.
Okay, so there is this oiling
You have
here
to,
nipple.
yeah, you have to loose completely first this one, nut. Then remove the last bolt third. This one, the same one last.
Okay.
Then you have to pump the oil, 46 grade oil, until first it will remove some airs, then until the oil is flowing completely, then you can close it with the screw.
So again,
And you have to turn it the other side and do the same, remove the last bolt from the, and you have to put the oil here as well. Do the same procedure. Then you have to put the quick fix flash, and you have to see the gap between these ends.
alright, so like explaining in a layman word, this system is hydraulically pressurized. So inside this shop there is oil that when you close this, it squeeze the oil and bring this out to lock, secure the blade. This is the nipple where we can refill or add oil. This needs to loose in order to removing of this. Need to remove this and then remove all the spacer and make the whole shop empty. And then we can add oil until we have the right grip. That is for referencing, or for the if instance that this is not gripping or the distance here becomes more than 1 mm. If it is more than 1 mm, then the oil must be topped up. Okay, continue, Sandeep.
And the other thing, most important thing is we have some lubrication here as well. This is for the chain. So we have sensor for this one as well. So once you got the warning, you have to fill this oil immediately. So the next warning, the conveyor will stop automatically. So it will be very dangerous. So once you got the warning, stop the machine and you have to fill the oil.
What is the oil?
I will give you the grades. It's already in the manual.
Or basically there is this,
Yes,
IS
VG 220, something like that.
VG 100,
220.
VG 220.
Because this is for our climate. This is for the Europe climate. So
Okay,
we
so
have VG 220.
so if it is minus temperature, like up to minus 15 degrees, the recommended oil is ISO CGLP BG 100. So since the climate here is plus 5 degrees to plus 50 degrees, the recommended oil is ISO CGLP BG 220 for the chain lubrication. Okay, so the same thing here. This is for
The saw blade lubrication.
saw blade lubrication. This is for the chain. Oh, so it has different oiling system.
Yes.
And there is an oil pump.
And also we have some nipples as well for the oiling and greasing. So I will explain you what we need to do.
Okay, alright. So again, as he said, if the level of oil is below this sensor, the machine will stop.
No, we will get a warning.
Alright, warning. The
First
machine.
we will get a warning.
Warning. So until it empty, become also it's also warning only.
It's only warning, but after some time it will work sometimes. But it's better if you got the warning, you have to fill immediately. So the next step, it will stop the conveyor. So once the material is inside, then the conveyor stop. It's not good for the machine. So it's better if you got the warning, you have to fill it.
Okay, so basically the purpose of this chain lubrication, if there is no lubrication for the chain, that metal chain, it starts to create more friction and wearing off and then heating. The same thing here, this is for the saw blade. So for the saw blade, it requires also lubrication so that the blade will not become heated. No, it will not be. It will not heated and change the color of the blade to black or brown. So that's the function of the lubrication.
And we have some ISO VG680 for these nipples, and here for NIGI class 2 for this grease. So I can, there is a table for the lubrication, I can show you that.